Hello friend, we are discussing now here the Banking Regulation Act 1949 and some of the important provision regarding the Bank Regulation Act 1949. Today we are looking the licensing to banking and the branch licensing. So let us start with our point. So all the provision of Bank Regulation Act 1949 do not apply to all nationalized banks, but some of the provision is applied to the nationalized bank. In the earlier lecture, we are discussing the section 5 B and C definition of banking company, functions and restrictions of banking company under section 6, 8, 9 and 20. The section 10A, 10B, double B about the management of banking company, paid up capital is about section 11 and reserve fund is about the section 17, the cash reserve 18, the liquid asset about the section 24. So today we discuss now the another point, which is the name of the licensing of the banking company, and the another is the branch licensing. So license which is provided by the Reserve Bank of India to all banking companies, and branch expansion also they need the permission from the RBI. So under section 22 and 23, the licensing of banking company and branch expansion. So licensing of banking company under section 22 means that any of bank who want to carry business in India, they need a proper approval from the RBI or licensing from the RBI. Similar kind, whenever we want to drive the car, that time we need the license from the RTO, and whenever we want to ride the car, that time we need the license. And whenever we want to new opening the business, we need the shop act license. Similarly here, the section 22 BR Act deal with the sanction of license to banking company. Do the banking businesses India according to section, no banking company carry their business without the permission of RBI, without the acquisition of license from the RBI, and if this condition imposed by the RBI at the starting point from the beginning of banking business. So RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has given license and then the open the bank in anywhere all over India or outside the India. So what are the factors considered by the RBI whenever they granting the license to particular bank? Sound banking company. The sound banking company means the financial position is strong and the refunding is possible whenever the public demand their deposits. So economically strong position is necessary for the starting of banking business. And manner of affairs, the affairs of the banking company are conduct in the interest in the present and future deposits. So they are all the affairs and their all activities and the works is related to future and the present depositors. So these are the factors considered by the RBI. Another is the reputation. The reputation of the management is also important from licensing of banking company. The reputation will be about their business and the interest of their general public. So purpose of management of the company enjoy and undoubted the reputation, and they will be business interest to the general public. So their business is interest to the public related is important. Adequacy of capital. The company capital earning capacity is also adequate. Just we see that the paid up capital, their requirement of paid up capital is they fulfill is necessary for the starting of banking there. Scope or expansion. Every bank now start their businesses in the big and metropolitan cities, or whenever they want to expand their businesses, they open their businesses the only crowded area. But RBI is necessary to looking that area is available the some of the business or not, or whatever their need of the any bank or not. So taking into the account the facility of banking available, the purpose are the operate whether any potential scope of expansion of banking business is available in area among the other banks. And whenever when new bank enter in the economy or the in area or city, that time the whatever the competition level of the other banks. So before the granting license, they thinking about the all other things. And the factors considered RBI another in the relevancy of a granting license, whether the granting license will be relevant of the public interest and the interest of the depositors. So whenever bank is starting their businesses, so their work is related to interest of the depositors and public. Any of the condition, if RBI want to increase the capital condition, they want any necessary condition imposed to the new bank, and then they verify the all certain things and give license to banking company. There is another one section, is a section 23, is about the branch license. Branch licensing, whenever the existing bank, they need to change their business position and location in the city, outside the city, or all the India or outside the India, they need a proper permission from the RBI. Like here, the imaginative S Bank is want to open their new S Bank branch office, so they need the licensing from the RBI under section 23. So it is a deal with the provision regarding the opening of the new branch and changing location of business place. According to this provision, bank also require prior permission from the RBI. So any head office want the opening their branch office, they need the prior permission of the RBI. So branch licensing is related to section 23, and that's why the regulation of the location is also important. So before the granting the new branch of the any bank, they need a prior permission from the RBI, and also some of the things considered by the RBI before granting their permission into the India. So now no banking company shall open new businesses in India or change otherwise within the existing place business situation in India. So without the proper permission of RBI, cannot change their business place. And the permission to outside the India, if any bank want to open their businesses outside the India in foreign, like the Bank of Baroda also open their some branches in outside the India and State Bank of India. So whenever they want the outside the business, no banking company is allowed without the permission of RBI. So no banking company incorporated in India shall open new place business outside the India without the prior permission of the RBI. If they want to change their city, village, any country or area outside the India location, existing business place, they need a prior permission from the RBI. But under some of the exceptional cases, the permission is granted to the banking companies. It is about the changing location, existing branch, business place, city, not required such permission. So whenever they change their business location, the one city for the temporary period of 1 month for the promoting the banking functions or promoting the banking business, like the occasion of the exhibition, conference or mela and any other the occasion, they need not the permission for the temporary period of the 1 month. So exhibition, there are the many counters of the business house, and there are also bank, they have opened their account for their given their information. The other business house, their information about product bank is given, also information about their deposit scheme and interest scheme and loan schemes. So mega trade fairs, there are also the organize some mega trade fairs within the city, and that time bank is also participate in mega trade fairs for the promotion and melas. There also the bank can open their the counter for the temporary period of the 1 month. So under this exception, the temporary period of 1 month, they did not the permission within the city. But essential condition for the opening of branch before granting permission to banking company, RBI may require some of the satisfactory things. The financial condition and history of the banking company. So financial condition is the good and sound, and the history of banking company, history of bank management is important. General character of the bank manager and adequacy of the capital structure and earning prospects. What is their authorized capital, paid up capital situation, and what is the management and who are working in management, and what is their earning prospect for opening of new branch is looking by the RBI. And their business is particularly to public interest and does not lead to unhealthy competition whenever the new branch opening into the particular area. So bank also looking and care of the not create the unhealthy competition among the various banks, like the foreign banks, the cooperative banks, nationalized bank or private bank. So RBI may require the satisfactory some of the things, like the while granting of opening new branch, RBI impose any condition which is they want necessary for the interest of the bank and general public. So RBI impose any condition which is they think they fit for the new bank. Whenever in the opinion of the RBI, the banking company at any condition imposed on it under section, the RBI may order a return after giving the reasonable opportunity to the bank company showing cause of against an action proposed to be taken against remove or cancellation of any permission of grant under this section. So this explanation of this thing means the bank can remove or cancel the licensing of any banking company whenever they think that there are the certain reasons behind of the cancellation of the license. So RBI permit the license, RBI permit the license for the branch office and remove or cancel also for under their powers. So whenever bank RBI the opinion that there are the some cause of the cancelling license, bank RBI can cancel the branch or the any banking companies. So other further condition also looking we here the regional rural banks asking for permission from the RBI. That time they forward the one copy for the nationalized bank, one copy forward to the RBI. So there need the proper application of the regional rural banks to the RBI for their opening of branch. This section is applicable opening of extension counter, temporary period of sub offices, pay offices, sub pay offices, any place of business at which deposit are received and check are cash and money lent. So any of place where the banking activities are done, like the deposit are received and check cash money is lent, that thing their place the necessary to proper permission of the RBI. About the foreign banks, the RBI specify the following three more conditions. So Reserve Bank of India take more care about the foreign banks. Whether the carrying on the banking business in India will be public interest, the foreign banks business is the in favor of the public interest or the against of their interest is the necessary condition. Whether the company comply the provision of Banking Regulation Act as applicable to foreign banks. So foreign banks can comply the all necessary conditions like the paid up capital, reserve capital and all other things which is necessary. And whether the government of law of country in which the company incorporated discriminate against the banking companies in India. So foreign companies government not the against of the government of India's law or the Reserve Bank of India's law. It is the necessary condition looking by the bank. Some of the foreign banks working in India, they also take permission from the RBI like the Citibank, Standard Chartered Bank, HSBC Bank, Royal Bank of Scotland, DBS Bank, Barclays Bank, Bank of America, Bank of Bahrain and Kuwait and Duma Bank. These are the foreign banks already working in India. They take prior permission from the RBI. So foreign banks also need to permission from the RBI for opening of the branch and the carry banking business in India. Cancellation of the licensing. So there are some procedure of cancellation of the license if the RBI is opinion that delay of termination of stoppage the business and banking company will against the interest of the general public or depositors. So whenever the RBI think that the work of the any banking company against of the public, against of the customers or bank depositors, that time they give order to the cancellation of license. RBI empower take immediate step without the issue notice. So whenever RBI think that there is the banking work is the against of the customers, against of the public depositors, that time they without issuing notice they can take this step on action on the bank. The banking company can appeal against the order cancellation of the central government within 3 days for date of order. Whenever RBI issue the order of the cancellation of any banking company, within 3 days any bank can apply against this the cancellation to the government. Cancellation of license. So subsection 4 section 72 deal with the provision of cancellation of the licensed banking company. According to RBI authority is a cancel of license of granted any banking company including the foreign company also. So there are some reasons behind the cancellation of license before the cancels any bank license. So banking company in a company cease or carry on the banking business in India. If the banking company wants to close their business in India, that time they cancel the license. The banking company ceases fail to comply with any of the condition imposed while granting license or as per requirement of as the same. So before of the cancellation, the RBI looking that whether they are fulfill or comply or not the better capital requirement, reserve capital or CR or SLR condition. If they not comply all the things, that time the RBI cancel their licenses. It against the public interest continue to business of particular bank. If any bank is the against of the public and depositor, that time cancellation of license is the right of the RBI. So here we discuss the some of the point of the licensing of banking companies, and any of bank who want to carry business in India, they need prior permission from the RBI under the section 22. According to this section, banking company can carry on the business in India without acquisition in license from RBI is not possible. So before they carry their business, they need the license under the section 22. And whenever they want change their business place and location, they need a proper permission under section 23. So branch licensing is also need the proper permission of the RBI. But temporary period of 1 month, like the exhibition, like the trade fairs, participation of the bank is allowed for the promoting banking business in the favor of public and in the favor of banking things. So here we see some references. The Nirali publication book is available, the Success publication book is available. You can refer all these above point in these books. So questions. What is the question will be asked in the examination? The explain the following provision of banking companies under BR Act 1949 is a 12-mark question. It is the very important question. The licensing of banking company and branch licensing. So licensing of a banking company under the section 22 and licensing of branch to the section 23. So these are the two important provisions we are looking here. So next time we are also looking at some next point with explanation. Thank you for watching this video.